Hello, fellow explorers. Welcome to Xploravista, your ultimate passport to captivating corners of the world. Today, we invite you on an immersive journey through the luminous city of Dubai, a place where the future meets tradition. To stay connected with our adventures, make sure to like, subscribe, and share our videos. Let's embark on this exploration together. Our first stop is the towering pride of Dubai, the awe-inspiring Burj Khalifa. Not only is this architectural marvel the tallest structure in the world, but it's also a symbol of Dubai's vision and ambition. Its observation decks present a panoramic view of the city that is unparalleled. Spend a few moments here, drinking in the sight of the dynamic city sprawled beneath you, its skyscrapers glinting in the sunlight. Next, we journey to the man-made wonder, Palm Jumeirah, engineered to perfection in the shape of a palm tree. This opulent enclave of luxury resorts and spectacular beaches is the epitome of high-end leisure. Feel the golden sand beneath your feet and the warm Gulf breeze on your face as you stroll along the palm-fringed coastline. Then, our adventure takes us to the heart of the desert for a thrilling safari. Experience the adrenaline rush dune bashing as you race over rolling sand dunes in a 4x4. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of red and orange, prepare to be captivated by traditional Bedouin activities. Sip on Arabic coffee, watch a mesmerizing belly dance performance, and dine under the starlit desert sky. For our shopaholics, we tour the expansive Dubai Mall, a paradise for both luxury and budget shoppers. Not just a shopping destination, the mall houses the breathtaking Dubai Aquarium and underwater zoo, where you can marvel at sea creatures from around the globe. Finally, we step back in time, Old Dubai and Dubai Creek. Wander the narrow streets of the historic Al Fahidi neighborhood, where the city's tale unfolds in its preserved architecture. Experience the city's rich cultural heritage at the local souks, filled with aromatic spices, glittering gold, and colorful textiles. As we wrap up our Dubai tour, we hope this comprehensive exploration has given you a taste of what this city offers. Remember to support Xploravista by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. So, fellow explorers, what's your dream destination for our next adventure? Let us know below in the comments and join our exploration community. Until our next journey, keep the spirit of exploration alive. #Dubai Adventures, #Xploravista.